in there.
পাথর-টাথরের
And
উপর
I'm
বসা
going to be
থাকে
tapping it with the gravel. I did buy this gravel new. I washed it off screen, which is why it's a bit tricky. So, capping it, you're just going to be laying it in a level on top of your substrate. This is just going to lock in all that nutrients, and also if you are planting plants into the soil, it's going to help keep them in place. So we're just going to be putting that on top, and I'll show you in a second. We want
স্নেলের
it to
ভিডিও
be
করতে গেলে টাইম ল্যাপস
more shallow at the front.
অনেক তাড়াতাড়ি করতে
And this is so when you're planting your stem pods into the more of a
আমি টাকা দিয়ে দেবো, তুমি আমাকে করে দিবা।
and I can get it shallow that the space is open.
তুমি খালি সব সেট আপ করে দিবা, আমি
But at the front, this is the most fun part of the hardscape. So again, I reused the from when I buy this, it was about $45 because it was pricey. I bought it 6 months ago, so it's basically free. Feel that. So it's already waterlogged. If you have just bought the drip with you, you can boil it to waterlog it, which basically means when you fill your tank up, it's going to float because it's steady in the position where you placed it. Again, that drip wood I already had, it's got some giant stone wood, which is kind of cool. We've got dragon stone, you'll see in a second. Just some grievous on the driftwood that you just saw. This a while ago, we used dragon stone,